Good morning everyone, we are in LA, Los Angeles, La La Land, all the names, literally La La Land, across the street. So quick explanation, our program finished a few days ago and then we flew to Disneyland, we flew to LA and then got a bus to Disneyland, did 2 days there. Yesterday, got to LA, did the whole Walk of Fame thing, didn't vlog it because we needed a day off. So yeah, we're actually going on it now so I can show you. Our hostel is right around the corner from Hollywood Boulevard, so that's pretty cool. Oh, there was Zac Efron on a billboard and I just missed it. Oh look, it's Taylor Swift. Oh. Looking good. So yeah, there is the Chinese Theatre. Hollywood Studios, is that you? Great movie ride. Still not there. So yes, basically we did all this walk, we did the very LA thing, Kierra got in and out, I had some of her cheese fries because I'm vegetarian, and I got an acai bowl, and went to the Grove, I got this shirt from Randy Melville. I'm so bad, if I buy clothes I have to wear them the next day. So I got that and now it's the next day. So we are walking to breakfast, we have a good day ahead of us. I thought we'd go on to vlog. I don't know if anyone will care because you probably all follow for Disney, but I care for my memories, so hope you enjoy. And they're playing Whitney Houston. How emotional. Let's go. Cutest movie in the world. Cutest. All the things. There's Kierra. Standing back, getting photos with the Mickey Mouse star. So yeah. That basically is what we did yesterday. I'll insert a photo of in and out and it's basically like I vlogged it. We have come to a very LA hipster place called Body Energy Club. They have all Kierra's showing me up. They have all the super cool juices and we both just ordered bowls from here, so we're waiting for them to get made. Very excited and very hungry. Who's surprised? Not me. We are just looking at these cookies and I'm intrigued if anyone has had one. What actually is in this and how can it taste good? Because I'm very skeptical. This is like birthday cake protein bars. It just seems very like, how does that work? We just got our bowls and they look incredible. I got like the classic superfood. Here I got strawberry banana and I literally, this is like the most LA thing we've ever had. I'm gonna open it. Look at that. There's literally Instagram waiting to happen. Coming soon. Update on the bowls. They're a bit messier now, but they are so good. They have this vegan protein in, which means they're kind of like chocolatey. And there's a whole layer of granola like underneath this acai as well. So there's a lot there. And so we're very content. They're very good, very clean. They were $9, so they better be good and fill us up. But see, that doesn't look particularly good, but it's amazing, I promise. All good? All good. 2 thumbs up. And I'll give my one, and the vlog one is up as well. Breakfast is done and we've come to the place I think Kierra's the most excited about the whole trip. More than Disneyland, perhaps. It's one of our other studio tours. We're going to see a bunch of sets, I think. I'm not entirely sure, but Kierra's very excited. And I've heard there's like Pretty Little Liars stuff, Pretty Little Liars stuff and Friends, Harry Potter. Should be good. I'm excited just to see some real life stuff. I don't even know what I'm saying. But oh, and there's a really cool like, let me zoom that in. Look at that. Maybe we'll go for a little hike afterwards. Just all the way up there. It's a very cool area. I think some very rich people probably live here. Okay, it's already cool. They're the trucks, the tour thingies they used to get around, and we are going in a very cool entrance. I'm excited for this. So this is where we are and they have like all the different places. So number 5 is where Ellen films. And other places. Oh, 24. Where is 24? Well, Full House filmed at 24. I'm an idiot. It's stage 24 at number 13. So Full House is there, and we are there. So that is pretty cool. I hope we get to see that today.
See, we have a Warner Brothers logo on this side. There's also one on the other side. Jack Warner put the logos on both sides specifically in those locations because Disney Animation is on one side of us and Universal Studios on the other. So he wanted each of our competitions to know where we're located. On our right side, this building here, this was Mrs. Hannigan's orphanage, the 1982 movie Annie. Right up front on the sidewalk there, you can see it has a little plaque. It says in honor of Dale Hennessy. And that was Lucky Leon's cupcake shop that you saw on the cliff. That was from Little Liars.
We have come out the back, and this is the barn they use in the sleepover scene in Pretty Little Liars. And this is Spencer's house. So cool. And then we just came from Emily's house over there. And then we literally walked through the house, and now it's Mona's house, like a double-sided house. So that was Mona's house just there, and now this is Emily's house, and then over there is the church. Like, it's all so close. And then over here, Rosewood High School is there, and City Hall is there. They're literally next to each other. It's like the whole of Pretty Little Liars. And this is the Full House house. They recreated it for San Francisco. That is so cool. We have come to the props department, and there was a first floor for Marvel and a second floor for Harry Potter, and we walked straight up the stairs, and they have Harry Potter original glasses and his Wand letter, and that's so cool. His wand is so different as well. The OG acceptance letter, still waiting on mine. We're about to go get sorted, and I have done Hufflepuff in everything I've ever done, every quiz, it's like choose an ice cream flavor, we'll give you a house, Hufflepuff. So if I don't get Hufflepuff, I want a refund. Someone's gonna pay. Someone's gonna pay.
Ah, your bonus load number. Yes, yes. Okay. We're at the door.
Gryffindor. Fake news. Right, let's see if we've got any more luck with Kierra. She's supposed to be Hufflepuff as well. Oh, they got it right! Wow. Maybe I've changed this summer. I mean, I came decked out in yellow. I'm meant to be. It's Cedric. This isn't right. So we have the Golden Trio's robes of Ron, Harry, and Hermione. So that is Harry's from Chamber of Secrets. So he gets all grubby. And then the rest are Order of the Phoenix when they got that cool redesign. We also have some props from Fantastic Beasts, Queenie's wand, a bunch of other stuff, and these gorgeous costumes that I'm obsessed with. Then we have Jacob's costume and the bed and Newt's case, which is so cool. I genuinely think they need to start selling these at Universal Studios. They would be a great hit. These as well, the Nisslets. I would buy one of those. Side note, the tour is great. This is wrong. Philosopher's Stone. What are they doing? No. She would agree. She would agree. Poor JK. I do not personally know Batman. I've never seen the Batman movies, but we're looking at all the cool cars from the Batman movies. So they're cool even without any context, and someone watching might enjoy this. Maybe my dad. We have come to a kind of exhibit now, and they have the red coat of the Little Liars. I just have all the PLL stuff. And they also have these gowns from the Unmasked episode. And some A's. I'm really just here for the PLL stuff. I don't even see where they have that stupid yellow shirt hanging up here. And now we're on the original Friends set. I have to admit I haven't seen that many episodes, but it's still super cool. I don't know, Kierra is freaking out here somewhere. Hey girl, just on the set. We got cards. Come with a coffee cup. Hollywood, watch out. We're coming. We've made our debut in Friends. Let's go. Character performer and nuts. Kierra is the official stunt for Dobby now. I know. Oh my god, he's doing yoga. Oh my god. They even have a Central Perk cafe right here. And they have couch cookies. I think someone is tempted. They're so cute. How much are they? $7. Oh, $7, okay. Maybe we are still in Disney. And now to quote Kierra, when in New York, have a hot dog. Got to. This is what she's gone for. We're in LA technically, but none of Friends was filmed in LA. Like, it was all filmed in LA. Nothing in New York, right? We would pretend we're in New York. Mad. She's got her condiments at the ready. Look at that. Perfect. Wow. On point. We've just come into the store, as one does. And they have Spirit jerseys here, and they are not even trying to make it seem like it's not just a blatant copy. They even have a rose gold one. And they're cheaper. How much are they? Oh, only $49.95 instead of $59.95. That's insane. Like, it's identical. They probably even have the same supplier. Wow. Low blow there.